The ultimate guide for small YouTubers. There are countless money-making ideas available online, and each one is exciting in its own way. But what if I told you that YouTube isn't just another side hustle? It's a life-changing opportunity that can give you freedom, wealth, and impact beyond your wildest dreams. I'm not just saying this because I've seen others succeed. I'm saying it because YouTube changed my life. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same, even if you're starting from zero. Why YouTube is the best money-making idea in 2025. Unlike a 9-to-5, YouTube pays you while you sleep. A single viral video can generate income for years. You don't need expensive equipment, just a phone, an idea, and consistency. Unlimited growth. No boss, no salary cap. Your earnings scale with your effort. Multiple revenue streams. Ad revenue, sponsorships, merch, digital products, memberships. The list goes on. But here's the catch. Most new YouTubers fail because they don't understand the real game. Let me show you how I crack the code. The reverse-engineered content strategy. Most creators post random videos and hope for the best. I studied the top 10 videos in my niche and replicated their success with a twist. Here is an example. Let's say the topic, how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, is trending right now. It's popping up everywhere, getting lots of views, and YouTube is clearly pushing it. Let's break down this YouTuber video and figure out why it performed so well. From 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 9 days. Clearly it's a bold claim, developing curiosity and showing clear benefit on the thumbnail. Face shocked, with high emotion. How you can apply this strategy. Here is what you can do. Find high-performing videos in your niche. Study their titles, thumbnails, intro hooks, and video structure. Recreate your own version. Don't copy, but model the format and psychology. Add your own twist or update to make it fresh and more relevant. Do you want people to binge watch your content instead of clicking away? It all starts in the first 5 seconds. You see, YouTube's algorithm tracks audience retention. If you lose people in the first 5 seconds, your video sinks. But if you hook them, YouTube pushes it out to more people. It's a simple 3-part structure to grab attention fast and make people stay: curiosity, relatability, and promise of value. Here is an example. Start with something unexpected, odd, or a bold statement. I uploaded 5 videos that completely failed. Then this happened. This develops a curiosity in the mind, and people will continue to watch your video to know more. Make the viewer feel like you get them. If you've ever felt stuck at 99 subscribers, this is for you. Make it clear they'll get something useful if they stay. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grow without showing your face. What happens when you nail this formula? Number 1. Higher retention. Viewers stay past the first 30 seconds. Number 2. More watch time. YouTube rewards videos that hold attention. Number 3. Binge effect. If your other videos have similar hooks, people keep watching. The algorithm rewards watch time and audience retention. That means the longer people stay on your video, the more YouTube promotes it. If viewers watch past the 3-minute mark, YouTube starts testing your video with a broader audience. We call this the 3-minute rule. YouTube audience retention is a percentage, representing how much time viewers spend consuming your video. In YouTube Studio, you can find a detailed analysis of your audience retention graph, which can help you spot where you're going wrong. One of the common questions which everyone is asking: why is my audience retention so low? There could be several reasons why your audience retention is low. First, titles and thumbnails are misleading, and the video content does not deliver what is promised. The first 30 seconds are not engaging and do not hook the viewers. The audio-video quality of the content is not clear. The video does not resonate with the audience. So, what is a good audience retention rate on YouTube? According to YouTube statistics, the average YouTube viewer retention rate stands at 50% to 60%. This means that viewers watch up to 60% of your video content. However, its answer also depends on your category of content and chosen niche. A higher viewer retention rate means viewers like your content and want to view it more. I used to think YouTube was about luck, until I realized it's a science. Consistency over perfection. Posting one video a week for a year beats one perfect video a month. Success leaves clues. Study channels like Mr. Beast, Ali Abdaal, or your niche's top player. Their strategies are gold. Promise yourself to upload 100 videos, no matter what. This alone will put you ahead of 95% of creators. Drop a comment below with your niche, and I'll give you a video idea to get started. Subscribe and hit the bell. I'll be dropping a follow-up video with the exact viral blueprint. Remember, the best time to start YouTube was 5 years ago. The second best time? Right now. See you in the next video. Let's grow together.